Hey, what's going on, y'all? Your boy Big Mucci back again. And yo, this right here is the very next dance we're gonna do, and it's called the Big Mucci's New Dance. That's exactly what it's called. Big Mucci's New Dance. When y'all go to the DJ and y'all request a song, say, hey, can I hear Big Mucci's New Dance? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna show y'all how it go a little bit. Then I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna teach it to you guys, and then after that, we're gonna do it all together. Y'all ready? Check it out. This is Big Mucci's New Dance. Follow along with me. First thing you're gonna do, you're gonna walk to your right, and then you're gonna go to your left. 4 times each. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. From there, it's gonna be a rock and a switch. Here we go. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, and switch. And 1, 2, 3, together. All right, let's do it from the beginning. 5, 6, ready to your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and right. Switch, right, together. All right, from there, you're gonna do the cha-cha. 4 with the reverse. It's like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Step left, back, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna do it one more time with your right foot first. It's up, back, 1, 2, 3. Left, up, back, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna do it from the beginning. Here we go. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Right foot. Rock. 2, 3. And switch. And rock. 2, 3. Cha-cha. And up, back. 1, 2, 3. Up, back. 1, 2, 3. From there is the end piece. Step, turn, giddy up, clap. It's going to be step, turn, giddy up, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. With your right foot. Step, turn, giddy up, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it all together. 5, 6, ready, go. Left. Rock. 1, 2, 3, together. 1, 2, 3, together. Cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, back. 1, 2, 3, step, turn, giddy up, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. That right there, Big Mucci's New Dance. Now we're going to do it together. Let's go.
I got a new dance that I wanna show.
Come on.
I got a new dance.
This that new one, y'all.
For y'all to know.
Big Mucci,
Let's
baby.
do it right
Big
now.
Mucci.
We gonna do it right now.
Right now.
I
Here we
got
go.
a new
I need everybody to
dance.
hit the flow.
Now let me
We
show
gonna kill
you
'em on
how.
this one. Let's
now
go.
Walk it to the right.
To the right.
Now walk it to the left.
To the left.
Now right foot step up right.
Right.
Now left foot step rock left.
To the left.
Now cha-cha to the front.
To the front.
Now cha-cha to the back.
To the back.
Now right foot step turn.
Hop up, clap,
and
walk it on. Come back. Let's go.
I got a new dance. This is my new dance. I got a new dance. Big Mucci's new dance.
Come on, come on.
I got a new dance. This is my new dance. I got a new dance called Big Mucci's new dance.
Talk to him. Hey,
Now here we go. Here we go again. I got a new dance so y'all can show your friends. Don't get this party started. Let's do it right now. I got a new dance. Now let me show you how.
Tell them how it goes.
Now walk it to the right.
To the right.
Now walk it to the left.
To the left.
Now right foot step rock right.
Right.
Left foot step rock left. Now cha-cha to the front.
Now turn.
Now cha-cha to the back.
Turn.
Now right foot step turn. Hop up, clap and walk back.
Walk it on back.
I got a new dance.
Come on, come on.
This is my new dance.
Big Mucci.
I got a new dance. Big Mucci's new dance. I got a new dance. This is my new dance. I got a new dance called Big Mucci's new
Hey,
dance.
hey, let's go, baby. Now walk it to your right. Now walk it to your left. Now right foot, now step rock to the right. Left foot, now step rock to the left. Cha-cha to the front. Come on now. Cha-cha to the back. Come on now. Step, turn, hop up, clap. Now walk it on back. Let's go now. Walk it to your right. Now walk it to your left. Now right foot, now step rock right. Left foot, now step rock left. Cha-cha to the front. Come on. Now cha-cha to the back. Now right, turn, hop up, clap. Now walk it on back. Let's go now.
I got a new dance. This is my new dance.
Big Mucci,
I got a new dance. Big Mucci's new dance. I got a new dance.
This is new one, y'all.
This is my new
What is it?
dance. I got a new dance called Big Mucci's new dance.
Break it down, break it down. Come on, come on. Y'all know how it goes. One
to your right. Now walk it to your left. Now right foot, now step rock right. Left foot, now step rock left. Cha-cha to the front, now cha-cha to the back. Now right turn, hop up top, now walk it on back. Let's go now.
I got a new dance that I wanna show. I got a new dance, something for y'all to know. Let's do it right now. We gon' do it right now. I got a new dance, now let me show you how.
Let's go now.
Walk it to the right, now walk it to the left. Now right foot step up right, now left foot step right left.
Big Mucci,
now
baby.
cha-cha to the front, now cha-cha to the back. Now right foot step, turn, hop up, clap and walk back. I got a new dance, this is my new dance. I got a new dance, Big Mucci's new dance. I got a new dance, this is my new dance. I got a new dance, called Big Mucci's new dance.
Come on, come on.
Ah, that's it.